Hello everybody, today we're going to go ahead and demonstrate to you one of our brand new items. To my right, you're looking at a 12-foot hood. This is going to be a 12-foot hood for food truck trailer, okay? Food truck trailer hood, okay? As I mentioned, it's a 12-foot hood. We can go ahead and measure this unit for you. And it'll be 12 exactly. .12 okay? And then bottom to the top, you're looking at 38 inches. Okay? The sides, 30 inches. Okay? So that's gonna be the measurement. Now let's go and show you the inside here where you can locate certifications. This hood is certified NSF. Okay? NSF certifications for this hood. As you can see right there, it's labeled on there as well as the NSF. Okay, so if you go ahead and open up these on the inside as well, you have certification. Okay, so it'll be labeled all inside the hood. You also will have the NSF on the grease filters. Okay, so the grease filters will have NSF and the UL certifications. Okay, there will also be a certification obviously over here. If you follow me over to the back, show you the back of this hood and measure the outside over here, obviously where all the smoke comes out through. You're looking at a measurement of 22 inches. Just for the inside, you're looking at 20 by 10, and overall is 12. Okay, so those are your measurements for the opening on the back. Okay, so that's going to be the back for this 12-foot hood. We already mentioned the inside. Okay, this is NSF certified. If you're interested in one of these hoods, you can go on our website, Coolerdepotservice.com. That is where we're going to update more information regarding this hood. Okay, so more information will be updated on there. All the certifications, all the details will be on the website. If you have any other questions, you can also give us a call and we'll help you guys out. Thank you for watching.